Últimamente nuestras charlas son comparecencias. Un pasito más para la indulgencia. Un abogado por si acaso y si el juez está de paso. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
So guys, we're coming to Tonyking to get some dollars. Hopefully we'll see what their rates are like, and if it makes more sense then we're gonna buy. So we decided to buy from this guys, Dawson Sanderson World. Their rate for today is actually 1.244. Thank you.
And we have $185 for you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 185. What's in the bag for you?
Thank you, yes please.
Keep them all.
We're going to Egypt. Hi guys. So we're done with collecting our dollars. So guys, we're headed now to Primark. We just want to do a quick mini shopping. Just quick shopping just for a few things and then we're out. We're inside Primark, guys.
No rest.
Guys, on which one to buy, and we're also trying to consider cost as well. This is 35 quid and it's really pretty. So
2,000 years later.
guys, we decided to go with this one. We didn't even look at the luggage. They're actually doing a discount.
Yeah.
And the bags is just £20. Because the original price is actually 35, but they slashed it to £20. So we decided to go with this. This is our matching luggage. See you in Egypt. Bye. Let's go. This is our luggage. Are you ready to go?
Ready? We're heading out.
I headed out of this country.
We're moving towards the sun.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in.
Guys, we're in the city of Leeds. Check out this beautiful piece of artwork here. Chair. Because the next train is leaving at 11. The next bus leaving at 11:55. So we're freezing cold outside.
We're not far from Antarctica.
See my legs. See the way. Our bus is here. We're going to London. London.
Don't wanna waste my days, I want to spend them on enjoyment.
I don't wanna waste my days on forgot. I just wanna show that I can chill with one on a waste and booger.
Welcome to Heathrow, baby. Heathrow, baby's Heathrow.
Not enough. If I do 99 good, it go remain one. I don't know how to show you my love.
Hello, everybody.
We'll buy you a new AP, straight from A to last. On it, yeah.
Here we come. Guys, we just headed to our gate. 'Cause
morning, Captain Jonathan Adsen, looking after you in the cabin, your in-flight manager David. With him today, Robert, Shireen, Khaled, Alicia and Vicky. They are all here to look after you, primarily with regards to your safety.
Everybody go to breakfast.
And I'll be worrying about him next. I think it's nothing meant for you. So crazy. But you marry him. Live in my life. So many reasons why I want to for my love. Now you are one to retire with my love.
Look at whole 3 chair.
Over time, 4:45, so with a bit of taxiing, we should have you on stand today on schedule with the very latest. The weather, I'm sure you can see on the window.
In a front row seat or an emergency exit row. You should place all items in the overhead lockers, leaving the floor area around your seat completely clear.
I don't want nobody to keep my mind back.
Grwm will be doing the cabin light in anticipation of arrival into Grwm. Should you require additional light, please press the light button located in the panel above your head.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. You go out for the result though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by fault and without any doubt though. I'm a me happy adult though. I no go feed the girl, it's out though. I'm a mind that's you can talk oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love oh. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry oh. My oh, don't cry oh. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow.
Hi, this is
You say you like my swag. I like your man, I don't keep my tag on.
Airports, welcome to Cairo International Airport.
This guy woman, sweet like candy, sweet like Indomie. But baby, Barry, I'm bad. How you? Yellow. Money want me. I'm in San Francisco, Johnny.